Leetcode Weekly Context 475. Question number 2. Minimum distance between three equal elements. Number 2. This is a medium problem, just exactly the same question as question number 1. The only difference is the range for number 1 is 100 and the range for number 2 is 10 to the power 5. That's the only difference. So we're gonna use the same approach. The key idea here is if we expand this equation, we're gonna get a 2k minus 2i, which means index j, which is the middle index, doesn't make any difference. All we have to do is to go through all the ki's and find out the minimum value. And let's copy the solution from question number 1. The update I made here is I made a mistake. I did a double loop for first index and the second index. We're gonna loop all the possible subarrays in for this number, but actually we don't have to do that. All we have to do is we just check the continuous three same number. We don't care other numbers. So for any index, the only index we care about is the second one after this one, which is II for the first number and II plus 2 for the third number. That's all we need.